separate into real and imaginary parts. So this is our complex number. We need to separate it into real and imaginary parts. Now let this complex number be equal to x plus iy. Therefore 3i by 4 is equal to cos x plus iy. I have shifted this cos over here. Applying the cos a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos iy is hyperbolic cos y, and sin iy is hyperbolic sin y. So here it is 3i by 4. Now let us observe this equation very carefully. Here it is real part plus or minus some imaginary part. In the LHS we are having only imaginary part. So this is 0 plus imaginary part. So on both the sides, if we equate the real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part, we'll get the necessary things. So cos x hyperbolic cos y is equal to 0 from here. Therefore cos x is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to pi by 2. So we have got the real part which was required. Now we are finding out the imaginary part. Now I'll equate the imaginary part over here with the imaginary part over here, keeping in mind that my x value is pi by 2. So minus sin x minus I sin x hyperbolic sin y is equal to plus 3 by 4. I and I is getting cancelled. So sin, therefore sin pi by 2 into hyperbolic sin y is equal to minus 3 by 4. This minus I am taking it over here. Now what is sin pi by 2? It is 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Hence hyperbolic sin y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Therefore y is equal to sin hyperbolic of minus 3 by 4. Now if this is your z, then we know the formula for sin hyperbolic inverse z. It is sin hyperbolic inverse z. So we know the formula for sin hyperbolic inverse z. It is log z plus root of z square plus 1. In our case, our z is minus 3 by 4. So this is your y is log minus 3 by 4 plus root of Minus 3 by 4 the whole square is 9 by 16 plus 1, which is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 9 plus 16 is 25, which is 5 by 4. Log of 5 minus 3 is 2 by 4, which is equal to half. So y is equal to log half. So we got x, we got y. X plus iy was our requirement. So substituting the values in this particular format, we will get the real and imaginary parts.